YouTube is a weird place. Hey, how are you guys doing? Where have you guys been? For the past month, I've been trying to figure out which videos YouTube decides to promote on my channel. Because previously, I found that every time I uploaded a new video, YouTube kind of just stops pushing traffic to my previously uploaded video. So I gave the channel some breathing room, and also me some breathing room, to catch up on some things and tidy things up a bit. So this meant that I had a lot of time to watch YouTube videos. Like, a lot of videos. And I found that one of the problems people usually have is with jump cuts. So today I'm going to show you how to properly do jump cuts. Jump cuts are fun, and in short, they're just a abrupt transition. But there is certainly a specific technique to it. So normally you would wait until you finish a sentence like this, then you would cut to a new line of thought. But due to internet culture and the general attention span of people these days, the space between two clips can seem like a very long time. That's why you want to shorten that as much as possible. But you also don't want to be cutting off your sentences too early. There's this video made by one of the VlogBrothers 8 years ago. It's just an hour-long video of him editing. So Hank showed us how he edited his videos, where he basically takes out all the little silences between clips. And this kind of creates a rhythm and pulls you in. The fast pace is also more friendly for those of us who are more distraction prone. Ooh, squirrel. Squirrel! So let me show you how you would do this in Premiere. At the end of your individual clips, you want to make sure your audio is longer than your video. This serves two purposes. It lets you finish the word you are saying without cutting you off. It also fills the silence and acts as a transition for the second clip. To connect it to the second clip, you would just overlap a bit of the second video. It's barely noticeable, but it makes all the difference. Here's an example. So if I were to say, I love making videos, that's why I'm on YouTube, versus I love making videos, that's why I'm on YouTube. You see the difference? There's over 300 hours of content uploaded to YouTube every minute. So attention is the currency here. The faster you can deliver your content, the sooner your audience gets back to what they were doing.